In this video, I am discussing fourth, fourth standard environmental studies, lesson 2, honey, sweet honey. This lesson is type of a story. See, children were standing in a corner in the village fair eating some sweet meat. They are eating some sweet meat. A few pieces of sweet meat fell on the ground. Soon, a few ants gathered around the pieces of sweet to eat. Fatima, look here, Radha. How many ants have gathered around the piece of sweet meat? See here, piece of sweet meat fell in the ground. All ants gathered around. See this? Radha. Yes, Fatima. See how unitedly they are carrying their food. Tejas. Oh, look there. How lovely the chitons are. Chitons. See, these are chitons. Oh, white. Oh, how white they are, Fatima. How white they are. The cat is licking the kitten with love. Cat is licking the kitten with love. See, licking showing in picture. Radha. Animals also live together like human beings, don't they? Yes, animals live together like human beings. Tejas. Yes, my father told me that most of animals live together. Once I had been to Nagarhole forest. Tejas went one day Nagarhole forest. He saw I saw a herd of deer and elephant also in groups. Deer and elephants also in groups. I saw a tiger also, but it was alone. See, picture shows elephants and deer in a group, tiger alone watching or walking, some birds. Next. Fatima, look at the dogs fighting for piece of bread. Radha, look at the sky. The birds are flying together. Birds flying together. See, birds flying together. Tejas. Yes, Radha. Look at the tree. Monkey is sitting on the branch. Fatima. The baby monkey is holding on the belly of its mother. See, monkey is sitting, baby monkey holding belly of its mother monkey. Radha. Oh, what if the baby monkey falls down? Tejas. No, the baby monkey is holding its mother very firmly. Baby monkey cannot fall because he hold mother monkey very firmly. Radha. Look there. Tejas. Then Hen is teaching its chicks. Hen is teaching its chicks how to search for food. Chicks, hen. Hen teaching to his chicks how to search for food. Okay. Observe the behavior of animal around you as the children have done. Reader, they are telling reader have observed some animals around us. Fatima, look at the honeybee. See, chapter name is honeybee. Now, Fatima telling, look at the honeybee sucking nectar from a flower. Sucking nectar. See, nectar. Honeybee is sucking nectar from a flower. Radha, come, let us talk to the honeybee. Tejas, honeybee, honeybee, where is your hive? Where is your hive? Honeybee, honeybee, start talking. Look there, my hive is in that tree. See, hive is in banyan tree. Tejas, we see only the bees there. Honeybee, that is my family. Fatima, what? You have such a big family. Honeybee, yes, there are thousands of bees in a family. There is one queen bee. There is one queen bee, and the rest are worker bees. The rest are worker bees. The worker bees do work such as building the hive, collecting food, looking after the queen bee, etc. The work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. Work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. Radha, oh, Tejas, your hive look very beautiful. Honeybee, we produce sticky material called wax. We build the hive with the wax. We build it on the branches and in hollows of tree, terrace of the big building, etc. They build hive in hollows of tree or terrace of big buildings, etc. Fatima, your food is the nectar of flower. Honeybee food is nectar of the flowers, isn't it? Honeybee. Yes, we store the nectar in the hive and eat it when we need food. It is the honey. Tejas. I too look honey. My grandmother told me that it has medicinal qualities. Honeybee. True. Do you know that all the honey you eat is not pure? People mix jaggery, people mix jaggery, sugar syrup to honey and sell it. Fatima. Then how do we find out whether the honeybee is pure, honey is pure or not? Honeybee, do this. They are telling some one experiment to test uh, honey is pure or not. Do it yourself. Take a glass of tumbler, put some water in it Add 2 or 3 drops of honey into the water. If it mixes with water before it settles down, it is not a pure honey. If it is settled down and mixed with water very slowly, then it is pure honey. Do this experiment to know about pure honey is pure or not. Now, do you know which is pure honey? Tejas? Oh, honeybee. Oh, it's getting late. I have to collect the nectar. I have to leave you, children. Radha. All right, honeybee. Let us meet again. Fatima, do you know I have seen small bees. They build a hive in the space between the stones. Small, small bees make hive in a small spaces. Fatima saw that. See, this is a small space. They made a hive. This is a big building. Hive is also big. In a tree, hive is big. Observe the pictures. The size of the bees and the type of the hives are not same. Yes, one is small, one is big, another is medium. Observe the different type of bees and hives around you. Okay, Tejas. I seen the rearing of bees and collection of honey near Nagarvale forest. This is one box, and that honeybees making hive. This box, put it in another box. See flowers around the box. Fatima, wooden honey boxes. This is wooden honey boxes are kept in gardens. People get the honey collected in it. Okay, Tejas. Yes, I have seen such boxes in my uncle's garden. Radha, a lot of honey is used at home. I like honey very much. Tejas and Fatima, we like it too. Radha, my grandfather tells me that there are other products from the hive. There are other products from the hive. Do you use honey at home? For what purpose do you use it? Probably honey is used for medicinal purposes as a medicine because of good digestion. If we eat honey, it used as a medicine for digestion. It is used for children's food. Children's food. Sing and enjoy. Bees are going in big swarms from flowers to flowers here and there, collecting nectar. Oh, so sweet. And then they return to their combs. Bees, big and small. How good they look in varieties, though, producing lots of wax and honey. Only for us, not themselves. Preserve the bees who produce honey. Bees are our dear friends. They provide honey for our health. Its use is unlimited. Nice song. Which are the other things available to you from the hive? See, some of the uses from hive they are given. Look at the picture and understand. From hive, honey is collected. From this, a candle is made. Paint also prepared from this. On ointment. Ointment also prepared. Powder, ink. These are some uses. If you know many, write it down. Do you know this? See, a honeybee collect nectar from 52,000 flowers in one round. So amazing. The only food that man eats produced by insects is honeybee. Honey. The only food that man eats produced by the insects is honey. Amazing fact. As the ants and white ants burrow the ground and allow the air to pass into the soil, the plants grow luxuriantly. Oh, soil friendly. Ants and white ants. Hives, nets, ant hills, termitaria, and spiders web, etc. are the wonderful construction of the animal kingdom. Okay. The ant which carries leaf on its back to protect itself from the sunlight is called umbrella ant. This is called umbrella ant. I think this video is useful for you. This completes your chapter. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos.